Hi guys! Today we are going to discuss union and intersection. So for number 1, we have the union of A and B. When we say union, we are combining the elements of the sets. So in this case, we are going to combine the elements of set A with the elements of set B. Isusulat natin sila sa iisang set. Okay? So we have here set A. Ito yung mga elements niya. And then we have here set B. And ito yung mga elements niya. Since numbers ito, we are going to write it consecutively, ha? Sunod-sunod. So, dahil ang mga mababang numbers ay naka B, unahin natin to. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then set A, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Pero dahil nasulat na natin si 5, 6, 7, you don't need to write it anymore. Isang beses lang siya isusulat. So we are now going to write, okay na si 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So this will be the union of A and B. Now, for number 2, we have here the intersection of A and B. So, when we say intersection, we are getting the elements that is found in both sets. Okay? So, dapat makuha natin yung elements ni A na nakay B rin, yung pareho nilang elements. Now, looking at the Venn diagram, ito si set A at ito si set B. So, ano yung mga elements na nakay A na nakay B pa? Obviously, ito yun, di ba? So, we have a 5, 6, 7. So, we have a 5, 6, 7. Okay? For number 3, we have the union of A, B, and C. So, i-combine natin or we are going to write all the elements found in A, B, and C. So, alam natin na yung union ni A and B ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Idugtong na natin yung kay C. So, we have this one. Si C ay 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 13. Pero dahil nasulatan natin si 3, si 4, si 5, si 6, si 8, si 9, we don't need to write it anymore. Sino na lang isusulat natin? Si 12 and then si 13. So, ito yung union ng tatlong elements. Or tatlong sets. Sorry. Now, let's have this one. What will be the union of set B and set C? And what is the intersection of set B and set C? You try to answer this one, ha? And don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Bye!